Rahim. In this video we will discuss the 4-bit combination circuit by mean of 4-bit binary adder. It consists of the two stages. In first stage, if the number is even, it converted into the odd, and if the number is odd, it converted into the even. And in second stage, it restore the input. If the input is even, the number is also even, and if the number is odd, the second stage output is always odd. Now we go to the circuit and protease. This is the circuit of the 4-bit combinational. U2 and U4 are the two 4-bit binary adder, and this IC used for connecting the keypad to the circuit, and here this 7-segment display is show the input value. This show the first stage output, and this show the second stage output. Now we check we simulate this. By the simulation we can see this, the input is 0, and at the stage 1 it shows the odd number, and in stage 2 it restore the input which is odd number, as given in this. At first stage, the combinational circuit, in order to implement, when the input provides an even number, the one is added once sum, and it converts into the odd number, and in the second stage it reconstruct the original value, and in the second stage it reconstruct the value, and in the first stage it add 1 to convert it into the odd. Similarly, when we apply 4, it add 1 with the increment of the 1, 4 plus 1 5, and in the second stage restore its value 4. We can see this in 6, with the increment of 1 it convert into 7, and in the second stage it reconstructed its value. For the PCB, we cannot use the keypad into the PCB and 7-segment display in the PCB circuit, so they can be used as a pin in the PCB board. We go to the PCB. First we delete this. Here is the component. We select the component and place here. Here we can auto route this. We can also increase the width by here. We can also select the size of the board, and many other operations can be done, and after this we do etching and perform the practical work of the PCB. For the PCB, we connect the pins here, A for the A, B, C, D, and 1, 2, 3, 4 we connect the pins here, and similarly in the 7-segment display we select the pins. For this we select we go to the here and select the 8 pin. Here is we can select anyone with the PCB view. Here is this. Now we delete this. We stop the simulation, and after this we delete it, and by selecting this we go to the here and connect these wire to the We connect this by understanding the names and the pins of using. We connect the practically keypad with these pins by checking the nodes and pins. Similarly, we cannot use the 7-segment display in the PCB. We select the 4 pin from this, and now selecting this, we delete this, and here we can use the 4 pins. Now similarly with these ones, now go to the PCB layout. Here we can select the other ones, J1 and J2. Here we rotate it at 180 degree, and J2, selecting the J2 to the here. Now we auto route this. And place this. Here is the 2-layer PCB. The green line show the upper core of the PCB plate, and the blue line show the lower core of the PCB. We can also rotate it one side by replacing it, and that's all for the question.